So this is a little Japantown. Izakayas, Japanese restaurants, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to walk around, kind of see what we can see around here. Huh. Pretty cool. Okay, we got another Saigon one. This is going to be video 24 of 29. That means that I've uploaded 23 other parts of Saigon all around the city. This is going to be a short one. I kind of went into this little Japan nightlife area, but I didn't feel 100% comfortable because there's a lot of you'll see in the video. I won't explain all of that, but I think I even talk about it in the video that I'm not completely comfortable filming because it's a nightlife, a little bit of mafia and stuff, and I'm not 100% sure if there's girls involved walking in. Anyways, that's to show you what I filmed. That's all I'm gonna say. So there's all these side streets. I'm not gonna film around here too much. I do know that there's certain streets you shouldn't film because of there's like hostess things. So we're going to just walk out here real briefly and just see what we can see, and then we'll see. So that's the sign, and it comes in all the way in here. And it comes out to here. So there's kind of the main street right here. So the Japanese restaurants, some Korean restaurants. So kind of interesting. And I think that I'm not supposed to film any of the prostitution that's going on, so I'm gonna just leave it at that. So yeah, there's just like, I don't know, 80, 50, so many bars. They haven't really opened yet, and I don't think I can film. There's a big run.